This morning's fun stop, we're being challenged to march in place, stay in this box right here.
But Clive...
Tim and I will go first, and then the winner will meet a new challenger, and we will continue on that vein until we run out of time. What do you mean by march?
So we just...
We can't hold in there.
Left real foot...
No, but I can't hold in there. I can't hold in there.
No, you can't. Which way we must step into the box? To this way or that way?
So?
Clive, can we turn sideways, Sean's boo?
So when you say, we just stand up and we just say march in place, what that mean? So how we all come out? What are you doing, Sim?
I'm giving you space so that your big foot can hold on the back.
But it will.
No, Nephriel, it did not hold. Come in. See your box then now.
You know, you're showing what you said earlier. The control freak part of you.
Step in the box.
And what to do? And what to do?
I don't know. Shauna.
Close your eye, and anytime I come out?
And march on the spot.
March on the spot, and then...
And then when the music stops after 1 minute, we'll see who's more.
Yeah, man, I will close my eyes. I don't know how I'm holding this now, you know. I'm not holding, I know. Are you ready?
I thought that the box too small.
Are you ready?
So we are just literally marching with our eyes closed.
But if we step out.
All right. Ready? Can we? Can we do? It's a dainty march.
I'm still in there, right?
You're still in there, Nev. You are so still in there. Nev, you couldn't be in there more if you tried.
But my eyes closed.
I'm looking ahead, I'm not even looking.
My eyes closed.
Higher knees. No.
Won't not try to tire me? Something is in front of my face.
You better believe it, because you reached 6 miles. Oh, you catch up there, sir? You're traveling.
Next contest.
Nev, did you not feel yourself moving for
No, I didn't actually.
Simone, fairly this time.
I didn't cheat. I was marching. I marched to the beat of my own drum, you know, not yours. Hi, T. Go, T. T got out the door already. Thanks for coming. Come, Harry.
But Simone had nothing. Simone had nothing.
I'm catching and watching.
Ariana, banana, deal with it.
What you say? What you say? What you say? Badness? Badness?
What's that?
A badness you go? All right then. Let's see if you can put your foot where your mouth is. Ready? Shut your eye. Me can't see it, but then she never said take off your glasses. Shut your eye. Okay, ready, go. March.
Simone had nothing.
I am marching.
No, you have to lift up your foot. What's that? No one see why she wasn't doing anything. Okay, now march that.
I am marching.
By the way, you're out of the box. Yeah?
In the Lord's army. Well, Harry's also reversed. Your pants out there. Foolishness. Your foot was reversed back halfway over.
We still want to know how me reach way up here, so.
You're like halfway out the box, girl. Girl, your foot was halfway out the box.
Sim, me still want to know how me reach way up here, so.
I'm not sure. Shauna, what do you want us to do now? Because it is clear that I'm the winner of this march off.
No, is it clear that you're a crook?
Do you guys really think I'm a crook? Do you really think I'm a crook?
Yes.
Did you not see me marching?
Yes.
How was I a crook?
Yes.
Strategy. You have to work out your strategy.
No, have you ever hold on, have you ever seen a soldier march like that?
Of course.
No, they march like this.
No, a footballer.
I still want to know how me reach up this, so do you know?
You are traveling. Marching. You think outside the box and you march outside the box. See what I did there? Okay. So, Shauna, what you're saying is I won, right?
So me reach up this.
You want another march off?
No.
Is that what you're asking for?
No.
So then wrap the segment. Congratulate me first.
You're the champion. That never bad at all.
Thanks. You know, I was training for it for a long time. It requires a lot of mental restraint and constraint, but also energy. And then you have to make sure that your legs are properly toned so you can control the march.
That's it.
Could you just ask me? How could I help you?
Stand up on one leg, but stand up on your weaker leg. And see how long you could do it.
Okay.
On your weaker leg.
This is my weaker leg.
Apparently, this has something to do with your age. That if you're between certain age, you can supposed to do it for like 50 seconds. I think
Look how long we gone.
I think you reached my age, I was about 10 seconds.
You're not bad. You are wicked. This is, I've been here for at least a minute.
What? Oh, you get 2 minutes.
At least a minute. Shauna wants it one more time?
All right.
All right, just because of Shauna, I'll come
I
down.
still want to know how me reach up there, so.
Ready? Ready? Never really close your eyes.
Ariana,
Teeth.
they need you. All right, let's go again.
Close your eyes.
I shall. Me nah move. I better not.
Yes,
No, but what's that? But you're not doing anything.
I'm marching.
It's not a dance, it's a march.
Why we can't jazz up my march? You're so boring. Jazz up your marching, jazz up your marching. Hey, it's a workout. It's a workout. Yes, Smith. Traveling it. Traveling it.
No, I'm still in
Traveling
it.
it.
I'm still in
Traveling
it.
I bet I'm still in the box. Gotta make it fun. Gotta make it.
All right, that's it for this morning's fun stuff, folks. Tulik.
And I'm still in the box. You cannot fight me.
When we come back, it's the.
A win is a win. Is a win. Try to get me out.
All right, folks, when we come back, the second edition of News in 5, and then Sir Adija. See him there? We'll be having a chat with him.
Get out.